I'm getting a lot of queries with various students. They're asking, I want to study in a German curriculum, but how to initiate the process? How I can start learning German with all those small courses, fake agents, they're selling some cheap courses that is not sufficient enough for you to sit for any kind of particular entrance exams for any kind of curriculum in Germany. So I have a good news for you. We have been collaborating with various universities, and this time we have collaborated with a very renowned German language university, and they're offering a intensive course for German. Now, the perks of studying in a German university: the teachers, they're going to be a native speaker, they have years of experience and they know what they're doing. They are continuously handling all the things, they are giving you all kinds of tasks in a regular basis, so you will be prepared for all kind of exams. The best part is the course is online. You can sit at your home and study, and the course timing is like it's divided into three parts. You can choose any one part and they're gonna be the same topic, so it will be easier for you for like people who have different time zones all across the globe. You can study up till C1 and you can avail the certification exam for either TELC or GOETHE. And TELC and GOETHE, you already know, they are everywhere. The centers, you don't need to do anything extra. We will register you for that as well, and you just need to sit for the exams and clear it. After completing the course, you will be getting a letter of recommendation from the university as well that can help you in boosting your CV and ultimately help you in applying for various curriculum as well. So more detailed video will be coming on YouTube, so just stay tuned and follow to know more.